Hello friends, welcome to Technocrats certification course. Today we will start lesson 2 of introduction part of CATIA V5 course. So you can see on the screen, this is the basic interface of CATIA software. Basically we will learn 5 workbenches of CATIA V5. So you can go to start, then go to mechanical design. Then our first workbench will be Sketcher. You can see here the second workbench will be part design, the third workbench will be assembly design, and the fourth workbench will be drafting, and fifth workbench will be wireframe and surface design. These are the 5 basic workbenches. At the end of course you will be perfect in these 5 workbenches and you can draw any model, any assembly, any surface design or drafting in CATIA workbench. So before going to workbenches, I suggest you to set all the values to default. For that purpose, go to tools, then go to options. Okay, this is the setting part of CATIA V5 for different workbenches. We will see one by one wherever required. Now I will only tell you how to set the default. So here one tab is given that resets parameter values to default ones. So click here, you will get another box, then click here for all tab pages. Okay, so clicking here, the default value will be set for all the tab pages available in the CATIA. So click on yes and then click on OK. After that we will see all workbenches overview one by one. So go to start mechanical design, click on Sketcher. How Sketcher workbench looks like. So this is the basic Sketcher workbench. In this workbench we draw different elements like circle, lines, circular parts, conical parts, different uneven arcs, pentagon, hexagon, triangle, or different elements, and their editing part is given here. So you can draw any sketch in this workbench. So next we will see part design. So go to start mechanical design and click on part design. I will see you one part which is already drawn by me. Okay, this is a part which is modeled on part design workbench. In part design workbench you can model any part, any complicated part very easily. This is a parametric modeling software, so you can also edit very easily first step to last step. This is a part, this is a gear and worm wheel which is drawn in the CATIA V5 part design workbench. Okay, so next we will see assembly design workbench. So go to start mechanical design, assembly design. This is the assembly drawn by me already. This is the pipe wise assembly. All parts are constrained here: body, handle, middle shaft, jaws. All parts are constrained and placed at their respective places. So in the assembly workbench you can insert different parts of assembly and you can constrain them as per their assembly constraints. Next we will see the drafting. This is the drafting workbench. How you will go to drafting? Go to start, go to mechanical design and go to drafting. This is already drafted part. You can draft a part which is already modeled in 3D modeling workbench. So you can draw any views directly: front view, top view, side view, or any auxiliary views, cut sections, and you can dimensions very easily, and nameplate, and each and everything you will learn in detail in drafting workbench. Next I will see you surface and wireframe design. Okay, this is part modeled in surface and wireframe design. This is a jar which is modeled. Okay, you can also give different aesthetic looks to it. You can change material, you can change color and look of part. Okay, you will learn each and every workbench in detail, and you will able to draw and able to model different parts, various complicated parts, with your full dedication and practice. Okay, from next lecture we will start our sketcher workbench in detail. You have offers also, that is we regularly we take this course at 7500 at regular basis, but in this lockdown period, in this situation, we are offering this mega offer, the same course at only 3000 rupees. So quickly register for this course and start learning. A hard copy certificate will be also provided to you and will be sent to your respective addresses. This is completely under government, and certificate will be provided of Government of India, Institute of Maha E-Learning and Dignity Skill Development Limited. You can visit at our address at our institute at Subhash Nagar. Address is given here. And for more details and information, you can visit our website www.anusidses.in and www.technocratsdesign.com. You can directly call us on given numbers for getting more information and your confirmation. Thank you.